A sign with this shape means A. Yield right-of-way. B. Speed and direction regulation. C. Railroad crossing. Answer B. Speed and direction regulation. A red painted curb means you may A. Stop to load or unload only. B. Not stop, stand or park. C. Stop to pick up or drop off passengers only. Answer B. Not stop, stand or park. A green lighted arrow on a traffic light means you may A. Proceed in the direction of the arrow after you have come to a complete stop. B. Not proceed in the direction of the arrow. C. Proceed in the direction of the arrow without stopping. Answer C. Proceed in the direction of the arrow without stopping. A sign with this shape means A. Warning. B. Railroad crossing. C. Yield right-of-way. Answer A. Warning. You are approaching an intersection where the lighted arrow has just changed to yellow. A. You must stop and wait for the light to turn green. B. You should slow down and turn with caution. C. You may turn only if you can clear the intersection before the light changes to red. Answer A. You must stop and wait for the light to turn green. Unless prohibited by a sign, a left turn on red is permitted. A. Except in school zones. B. From a two-way road to a one-way road. C. From a one-way road to a one-way road. Answer C. From a one-way road to a one-way road. This sign means A. Wrong way. B. U-turn is not permitted. C. Left turn is not permitted. Answer B. U-turn is not permitted. A broken yellow line in the middle of the road means A. No passing is permitted in either direction. B. Passing is permitted in either direction. C. School zone. Answer B. Passing is permitted in either direction. This sign means A. Pedestrians prohibited. B. Pedestrian crossing. C. School crossing. Answer C. School crossing. This sign means A. Divided highway ends. B. Lane ends ahead. C. Divided highway begins. Answer A. Divided highway ends. A flashing red traffic light at an intersection means the A. Same as a stop sign. B. Light is about to turn green. C. Same as a stop light. Answer A. Same as a stop sign. A sign with this shape means A. Speed and direction regulation. B. Railroad warning. C. Stop. Answer B. Railroad warning. A yellow line in the middle of the road means A. Two-way traffic. B. School zone. C. One-way traffic. Answer A. Two-way traffic. This sign means A. Road turns sharply to the left. B. No left turn permitted. C. Left lane must turn left. Answer B. No left turn permitted. A broken yellow line alongside a solid yellow line in the middle of the road means A. You may pass if the solid line is on your side. B. You may pass if the broken line is on your side. C. No passing is permitted in either direction. Answer B. You may pass if the broken line is on your side. A sign with this shape means A. Stop. B. Yield right-of-way. C. Speed limit. Answer B. Yield right-of-way. This sign means A. Pedestrian crossing. B. School crossing. C. Construction workers ahead. Answer A. Pedestrian crossing. You are approaching an intersection where the traffic light has just changed to yellow. A. You should slow down and proceed with caution. B. You must stop and wait for the light to change to green. C. You may proceed only if you can clear the intersection before the light changes to red. Answer B. You must stop and wait for the light to change to green. This sign means A. Road turns sharply to the right. B. No right turn permitted. C. Left lane must turn right. Answer B. No right turn permitted. This sign means A. 2 lanes ahead. B. Divided highway begins. C. Two-way traffic. Answer C. Two-way traffic. A broken white line in the middle of the road means A. Traffic on both sides is moving in the same direction. B. No passing in either direction. C. Traffic is moving in opposite directions. Answer A. Traffic on both sides is moving in the same direction. This sign means A. Lane ends. B. Traffic merging. C. Left lane must go straight. Answer B. Traffic merging. A flashing red traffic light at an intersection means you must A. Stop and wait for the light to change to green. B. Slow down, check for traffic, then proceed with caution. C. Stop, check for traffic, then proceed with caution. Answer C. Stop, check for traffic, then proceed with caution. A sign with this shape means A. Right turn permitted on red. B. No passing zone. C. Railroad crossing. Answer B. No passing zone. A sign with this shape means A. Railroad crossing. B. Yield right of way. C. Stop. Answer C. Stop. A right turn on red is allowed. A. Only where indicated by a sign. B. Except where prohibited by a sign. C. Only on a divided road. Answer B. Except where prohibited by a sign. A flashing yellow light at an intersection means you must A. Stop and wait for the light to change to green. B. Stop, check for traffic, then proceed with caution. C. Slow down, check for traffic, then proceed with caution. Answer C. Slow down, check for traffic, then proceed with caution. This sign means A. You may turn left or go straight. B. Merging traffic. C. Divided highway. Answer A. You may turn left or go straight. A red lighted arrow on a traffic light means A. No turn permitted. B. Stop, check for traffic and turn with caution. C. Stop and wait for the arrow to change to green before turning. Answer C. Stop and wait for the arrow to change to green before turning. A double, solid yellow line in the middle of the road means A. You are permitted to pass. B. No passing in either direction. C. Curve ahead. Answer B. No passing in either direction.